Method by finding a first integral exact equation. Definition: a second degree linear equation a naught of x d square y by dx square plus a1 of x dy by dx plus a2 of x y equal to f of x is said to be exact equation if there exists a first order linear differential equation b naught dy by dx plus b1 y equal to g of x, such that when equation 1, that is equation 1, is obtained by differentiating direct differentiation of equation 2. Okay, so that is what is called an exact equation. So if equation 1 is exact, then there exists a first order linear differential equation. Now, a theorem: a necessary and sufficient condition for the equation a naught d square y by dx square plus a1 dy by dx plus a2 y equal to f of x is said to be exact if d square a naught by dx square minus dA1 by dx plus a2 equal to 0, where a naught, a1 and a2 are functions of x. They are all functions of x. Proof: let equation A be exact, then there exists a first order equation b naught dy by dx plus b1 y equal to g of x. Okay, so we know that if a given equation is exact, then there exists a first order linear differential equation where b naught, that is there exists b naught dy by dx plus b1 y equal to g of x, where b naught, b1 are functions of x, such that equation A can be obtained on direct differentiation of this equation. Now differentiating equation B. Okay, so let us differentiate equation B. B naught and dy by dx are product terms, so therefore we will get d square y by dx square into b naught plus db naught by dx dy by dx plus b1 dy by dx plus db1 dy by dx db1 by dx y equal to g dash of x. And then we'll group the coefficients of d square y by dx square, dy by dx and y. Having grouped it in this way, let us number this equation as equation C and compare it with equation A, which also has d square y by dx square, dy by dx and d and y term. So comparing equations A and C, we get a naught equal to b naught, a1 equal to db naught by dx plus b1, a2 equal to db1 by dx, f equal to g dash, and a2 is equal to db1 by dx, but b1 is a1 minus db naught by dx. Therefore, we'll get d by dx of a1 minus db naught by dx. That is equal to dA1 by dx minus d square b naught by dx square. But we know that a naught is equal to b naught. Therefore, we'll get a dA1 by dx minus d square a naught by dx square. That is equal to the left hand side, which is a2. So moving all the terms to one side, we'll get d square a naught by dx square minus dA1 by dx plus a2 equal to 0. Conversely, suppose A is such that d square a naught by dx square minus dA1 by dx plus a2 equal to 0, then therefore equation A can be written as a naught d square y by dx square plus a1 dy by dx plus dA1 by dx minus d square a naught by dx square into y equal to f of x, or a naught d square y by dx square minus d square a naught by dx square y plus a1 dy by dx plus dA1 by dx y equal to f of x. That is, removing the brackets and grouping the terms, we will get this equation. Having got this, we can further write this. We can write these two terms as d by dx of a naught dy by dx plus a1 minus dA0 by dxy equal to f of x. So when we differentiate this, we'll get back this equation. So we are rewriting this equation in this form. Having written it in this way, we'll get d by dx of a0 dy by dx plus a1 minus dA0 by dxy minus integral f of x dx plus c equal to 0, where c is any arbitrary constant. This shows that the equation A can be obtained on differentiating a0 dy by dx plus a1 minus dA0 by dxy minus integral f of x dx plus c. And this equation, thus equation A is exact, and this equation is used to find the first integral or to solve an exact equation. Now problems. Show that the equation x square into 1 plus x d square y by dx square plus 2x into 2 plus 3x dy by dx plus 2 into 1 plus 3x y equal to 0 is exact and solve it. Now to show that the equation is exact, we should use the condition d square a0 by dx square minus dA1 by dx plus a2 equal to 0. We should show that this equation is equal to 0. Hence we are finding the derivatives. Coefficient of d square y by dx square is a0, coefficient of dy by dx is a1, and coefficient of y is a2. So finding the derivatives of these terms and solving them, we will get 0. Having got 0, we can conclude that the given equation is exact. Therefore, the first integral, since the equation is exact, only then we can solve. Only if the equation is exact, solution exists and we can solve, and we can find the first integral by using the equation a0 dy by dx plus a1 minus dA0 by dxy minus integral f of x dx plus c1 equal to 0. So substituting for a0, a1, dA0 by dx and f of x that is nothing but the right hand side, okay, we'll get x square into 1 plus x dy by dx plus 2x into 2 plus 3x minus 2x plus 3x square into y plus c1 equal to 0. Now further solving this equation, 2x, that is 4x plus 6x square minus 2x plus 3x square, solving this, okay, we will be getting x into 3x plus 2 into y plus c1 equal to 0. Now let us make the coefficient of dy by dx 1. So divide throughout by x square into 1 plus x. So dividing throughout by x square into 1 plus x, dy by dx plus 3x plus 2 by x into 1 plus xy plus c1 by x square into 1 plus x equal to 0 is obtained. This is a linear differential equation of first order. Integrating factor can be found using E integral p dx. This is the first order linear differential equation. So we can find integrating factor using E integral p dx. So p is 3x plus 2 by x into 1 plus x, that is 2 by x plus 1 by 1 plus x. By resolving this into partial fractions, 2 by x plus 1 by 1 plus x is obtained, integral of which is 2 log x. 2 log x is nothing but log x square plus log 1 plus x. So e power log x square is x square into e power log 1 plus x is 1 plus x. Hence, integrating factor is found to be x square into 1 plus x. Thus, solution is y into integrating factor. Integrating factor is x square into 1 plus x equal to c1 into q into integrating factor. Okay. So, q is 1 by x square into 1 plus x. So, we will get a minus sign here. We can take this as c and write minus c as c1. Thus, q will be c1 by x square into 1 plus x plus a constant of integration. So these two terms get cancelled. Integral of dx is x. Hence solution is yx square into 1 plus x equal to c1x plus c2. So by showing that the equation is exact, we can solve it by finding the first integral, which will give us the solution.